SMT Thermal Discoveries are the experts in thermal processes from -50 degrees Celsius up to 450 degrees Celsius. With highly stable reflow soldering systems, vacuum soldering to reduce voiding in solder joints, whether you need temperature treatment systems with standard equipment or flexible solutions, SMT Thermal Discoveries have the machine to your thermal challenges.
Welcome to the Yamaha booth here at Productronica. Delighted to be joined by Aramoto-san.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you. Yeah.
So, always new things on the booth, Aramoto-san. So let's talk first of all about this latest machine that's coming soon,
Yes.
which I believe is a standard Yamaha chassis,
Yes.
but it's got something special inside.
Yes.
Can you explain to us?
Thank you for asking that. This time that is the first time to introduce our new platform. So that main key feature is that is a combination of YS technology and then Sigma technologies.
Okay.
So let's say that this machine has a revolver head inside, and also customer can select that our existing is an inline head also.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So the Sigma technology, of course, is when you acquired that with the Hitachi merging.
Yes.
That was a high-speed revolver head on that system, but you've developed an even bigger head or a better head than on this one
Yes,
here.
yes.
How many nozzles do you have on the revolver head?
So that the revolver head has 18 spindle.
Okay.
Yeah, so which means that is the machine capabilities that is get improved a lot. So yeah.
So what about the issue of companies that are using Hitachi feeders?
Yes.
Are the feeders interchangeable?
Yes, yes. That is a factory option, but the customer can choose that is YS feeder types or Sigma feeder types. So that is for the Sigma existing customers, it's easy to select our machines.
Right,
Yes.
Right. Okay, so they don't have to change their whole inventory of feeders. They can use their existing.
Yeah.
That's very good. Great. Any other major features on this that we should know about?
Yeah, actually, that is we changed that GUI. So that is it's a very modern graphic interface is developed. So of course that is data itself is common. So it's compatibility is still there, but it's a very easy to use, user friendly operation is achieved.
Right. This is the GUI that folds into your overall Yamaha line control software. Yes,
Yes, of course, yes.
So, looking across the booth, I see you've got some factory automation systems over there. This is a new division for you. Can you tell us a bit about this?
Yeah, actually, this year we newly set up our new organization for the factory automation. So we start to promote that is our Scala robot or Cartesian robot, and also that is LCM is kind of a conveyors. So that is we believe that is robotics industry that is growing a lot in Europe also. So we are investing that our resources on it. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
So basically a manufacturer can come to you and you will work with him to design any configuration of automation that they might need.
Yeah. So far that we just saw that robot itself, but now we are plan to set up our engineering team to support the customer requirement. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, and finally, Arimoto, the last night we were lucky to win the Global Technology Awards.
Thank you very much for your award. Yes.
Thank you. But it was very well deserved because you've got a fairly unique machine there, the YS P10 printer. Let's talk about some of the key features in that machine.
Yeah. So we know that now is SMT industry trend is automation. So that we newly developed that full automated printers. So which is that essential automatic change, and also it's automatic solder paste remover.
Okay.
Yeah. So that a lot of manual process can be changed to the automated systems. Yeah, so that is a very, we believe that is a very innovative challenge on that our SMT industries. Yeah.
Okay, so it's automatic paste removal from when it spreads out from the sides, basically, and also you've got automatic stencil changeover. You can do 2 stencils, one or the other.
Yes, right. Yeah.
Okay, well, once again, congratulations on that,
Yeah.
and
Thank you very much.
thank you for showing us around the booth today.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.